In this video, we will see how we can make a ping pong game using Scratch. So this video is going to be quite interesting. So watch this video till the end. So first go to the website scratch.mit.edu. Then click on create and start creating your own game. Here we will change the sprite. We will delete the original sprite, that is cat, and we will select a choose a new sprite. So here I am selecting ball. Now we will change the background. We will change the backdrop of the stage. So here I am selecting neon tunnel. After selecting the sprite and the background, now let us see how to code this game. So first go to the motion block and drag move 10 steps. Now change the value from 10 to 15. Now go to the control block and drag forever block. Now again go to the motion block and drag if on edge bounce. So as soon as the ball will go to the edge, then it will bounce back. Now from the motion block drag point in direction 90 degree. Now here we will rotate the sprite, change the value from 90 to 45 degree. Now go to the event block and drag when flag clicked. So let us preview. Let us see how our game looks. Now here you can see that the ball is moving and bouncing back. Now we will select another sprite. We will select second sprite so that the player can use it to hit the ball. We will select second sprite. Here I am choosing paddle. Now let us code this another sprite. Go to the motion block and drag set x2. Now go to the sensing block and drag mouse x. So here I will make the paddle go across the stage when the mouse moves. So if we move the mouse, then the paddle will also move. Now go to the control block and drag forever block. Go to the events block and drag when flag clicked. Click on the green flag to find out how to hit the ball with the paddle. Now follow the instruction carefully. Select the first sprite, that is ball. And we will code it again. Go to the control block and drag if then. Then go to the motion block, turn 15 degrees. Now we will change the value to 180 degree. Then drag move 10 steps. Then we will change the value to 15 steps. Now we will go to the motion block and drag touching paddle and place it inside the if block. Now we will go to the control block and drag wait for 1 second. Now go to the variable block. Here we will make a new variable. We will create a new variable. Give the new variable name score. So to add the score, we are creating a new variable, that is score. Now we will go to the control block and drag change my variable by 1. Here we will choose score. Next, drag this block and place it inside if then block. Okay, so now let us see how our game looks. Click on the green flag and preview our game. So as soon as the ball hit the paddle, then the score is incremented. The value of score will be increased by 1. So we can make this game more interesting. We will choose another sprite. We will choose the third sprite, that is line. So if the person misses the ball, so the ball will touch bottom side, so the ball will touch the line and the game will over. So we have to constantly chase the ball. So as soon as the ball hit the paddle, the score will be incremented. But if you miss the ball, then the game will over. So in this way you can create more amazing games using Scratch.